How to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Miraa AI Transcribe and study application. So first of all you need to install, then tap on the open button, then you have to create your account, choose the language you want to learn. Maybe I'm going to learn Japanese, and choose your main language English, and you can see so it's echoing. You have to see here settings, and you can create your account, but this time I'm just going to add and okay. So now tap here plus icon, then YouTube URL, local media, photo album, Miraa drop. So I'm just going to take photos here, so maybe collection photos, so videos, or maybe this one. Okay, so now it's uploaded, and so now you can see here how to totes back with another new. So this is my video. So enable AI subtitle, so enable AI, but you have to create your account first. I created my account, so you have to upload your photos or YouTube video. So tap here, so back with another. So now tap here enable AI subtitle. So it's preparing, and you can see here streaming transcribe. So wait a second, and preparing a subtitle in queue. You can leave this space, can check this translator, so you have to wait. Okay, it's preparing now. Then it's really nice app, so you can see here, so it's completing now. So if you tap here like loading subtitle, so you can see here this is English. So now what you need to do, so you can see here tap explain. If you tap explain, then you can see here all the things. So you can see you can learn all the things here. So one how to totes back with another new. So you can see also so you can see here, and also okay, if you tap here, then you can explain, like if it's the YouTube video, it will be better for you. So you can see all the transcribe here, and if you tap this video, so one how to totes speed, so you can change it. If you back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to download and install Miraa AI Transcribe and study application. So actually this way, if you tap your plus icon, then import video or audio, YouTube URL, local media, photo album, and Miraa drop. So like you can also tap your photo album, then importing. You can see here photos from your app. So I don't have any photo here, so that's why I can't say anything. So actually this way you can use Miraa application.